Hey guys, Matt here, and I just wanted to make a quick video going over how best to make use of these videos and how to get the most out of them. But before that, I just want to quickly say thank you so much everyone for all your support. I've been reading the comments on Reddit and on the YouTube video comments, and it's just been amazing. Thank you very much for enjoying these videos, and I am having a lot of fun making them, so I look forward to getting all the way through the end of the game, and hopefully we can get as much language out of Final Fantasy VII as possible. And enjoy the process of learning Japanese. Okay, so now onto the topic of this video, how to get the most out of these episodes. So I've seen in the comments a few people have been asking for more Romaji or English in the video, and that's one thing that I won't be doing in these videos, and there's a really important reason why. So using Romaji kind of keeps you limited. It holds you back from actually growing and learning the Japanese language. So I believe that immersion is the very best way to learn the language. So just seeing the actual language and just focusing on that. And it will be difficult, it will be scary at first. At first you're like, I don't understand anything. But slowly and slowly, the more you push yourself, the more you challenge yourself, the more you'll grow. And so that's why Romaji is such a horrible crutch to hold you back, because you're just keeping yourself in this safe zone. The good news is that all you really need to do to enjoy these videos is be able to read hiragana and katakana. The kanji can come over time. Hiragana and katakana at first seem really intimidating, but they're actually really easy to learn thanks to an application called Anki. So Anki is kind of a digital flashcard program. And so you have a flashcard where you have pizza, and on the other side, pizza, English and Japanese, and you can review the card. But this is a digital flashcard, and so it also has an algorithm in the background working to know when you next need to see that card in order to best help your memorization. It's such a powerful and useful tool. I used it for 2 years, and I crammed 16,000 words into my brain over those 2 years. So really powerful and useful tool. And if you use it with hiragana, you can pick hiragana and katakana up in some people a couple of days, maybe some people a week, 2 weeks max. It's very quick. So in a very short time with Anki, you will be able to read Japanese and no longer rely on English and Romaji. Great. So how do we do it? First, all you need to do is go to the Anki website. So if you type in Anki into Google, click on the link, and just click download. Really simple. Whether you use Windows or Mac, it's available on all platforms. If you have an iPhone or an Android, it's also available. On the iPhone, I believe it costs something like $30. On the Android, it's free from the last time I checked, but it's a really useful program, and I'll show you why. So once you've downloaded Anki, and in the video description of every single video, there will be an Anki deck. So in the last video, there was an Anki deck for the first episode, and in this video, there will be an Anki deck for hiragana and katakana. Okay, so once you've downloaded the Anki deck, it's really easy to use. All you have to do is click on the deck that you've downloaded. So here we have episode 0 for your hiragana and katakana, and then you just click study now. So we have our first hiragana here, ne. Cool. So we have show answer here at the bottom. We just click that, and so here at the bottom we have again, good, and easy. So again means we'll see the card in 1 minute, good means we'll see it in 10, and easy means in 4 days. So that was easy for me, I'll do that. No. Easy. No. Ha. Perfect. So that's all it is. It's really simple. If you just, whenever you have a free time, just try to review some of these words, and seriously, you can get the job done in like a couple of days or a week or so. It's such a powerful and useful tool to remember the hiragana. So once you've done that, you no longer need to rely on Romaji, and you can make the full use of these videos. Great. So please feel free to download the deck that's in this description. Download Anki, give it a shot. It's free on PC, so if you don't want to spend the money, try it out on PC first, see if you like it before getting it for your iPhone. But I highly recommend using this program if you really want to remember things. You don't have to use the episode Anki, but at least the hiragana and katakana is so important to just finally actually be able to read Japanese. So good luck. Great, so thank you for watching the video. There will be new episodes coming very soon. I have already 2 ready to release. I just need to do a little bit more editing and it's ready to put up on YouTube. So please look forward to that. And thank you very much. See you again next time. Bye.